Hey guys, it's Vidya. Welcome to Godot tutorial number 8, Save File Obfuscation. I had a question concerning protecting the save files we were making in Godot to prevent the end user from modifying them. Many Unity save file tutorials utilize using BinaryFormatter, but Microsoft recommends against using it because it's insecure and Microsoft can't make it secure. I decided to pull up my tried and true bit flipper that I've been using in the past to protect save files. While the script is named SimpleEncryptDecrypt, it is just a simple bit flipper. Since it's just flipping bits, the method EncryptDecrypt is used for both saving and loading data. This makes for a very simple way to obfuscate the JSON string we're using into something completely unintelligible for humans, but trivial for a computer to read. You can download the script from the GitHub link in the description. I've also included a usage string that you can also just copy and paste and use in any system where you want to bit flip and bit flip again when you are done loading. If you use this method to save your save file, you must also use it when you load your file immediately after loading the file from the file system. So this is the simple EncryptDecrypt. It takes an encryption key and you can change this to any number that you'd want that's 3 digits. So it has to be like a 100 or a 255 or something in between. The static method takes in the string that you provide it using string builder, gets the length, and iterates through every single character that's in the string and flips it based on the encryption key that you provide. It appends it all back together and then spits it back out. So usage in GameMaster. Let's come back down and go to the save function. In the save function, right before you write this string to the file, this is where you can do your bit flipping. You can just do something like this. You can just do JSON string equals simple encrypt dot encrypt decrypt JSON string. I'm not going to keep this in the project because I find it's much easier to debug the game if the save files aren't obfuscated, especially if you're a brand new game dev or are just getting into this for the first time. I really would not recommend doing this. So we got the save string obfuscated. We got the bits flipped. Now we need to go into the load method. And right after we get the line, we need to flip it right here. So we need to do the same thing again. JSON string equals simple encrypt decrypt dot encrypt decrypt and just send the JSON string as the argument. And that's all you got to do for both methods to enable the obfuscation. So when it saves it out, the save file is going to be completely nonsensical. And when you read it back in, it's going to be flipped back exactly the same. And you will be able to read the file as if nothing happened. And that's it for now. And if you have any questions or requests, please post them in the comments. Thank you very much.